Okay, so here on this question now, we're using an applet again. And they want us to place the numbers minus, now we're doing mixed numbers, which is get the whole number part and the fraction part, -1 and a 6 on the number. So get the dot maker here. It's going to go right there. Everybody see how I came up with that? -1 and a 6, right? Because there's -1 and then 1/6 of another section, -1 and a 6. And then the number 3 and 5/6. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there. So see how I've placed those dots at -1 and a 6 and +1, 2, 3, and 5, 6 on the number line. Okay, now they want me to use that somehow to write this as an improper fraction, both of these numbers. Well, how do you do that? Well, here's the answers. Well, the first one is -7/6. How do you know that's -7/6? Well, look, if you just count the jumps, remember how many jumps are there? From 0 to that dot, let's count the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7/6. Did you see that? I counted jumps from 0. So starting at 0, how many jumps till I get to the blue dot? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see, it's back 7/6. That's another way you can say -1 and a 6. It's -7/6. Does that make sense? It's 7 jumps back, each of those jumps being a 1/6. It's back 7/6. And then how about the number way over here? It's going to be a lot of jumps. To get to 3 and 5, 6, I'll show the answer here. It's going to be 23 because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. Let me take that off. Whoops. Oh, now I've messed up. I'm going to have to clear it all. All right. Maybe you had the same problem. Okay, there we go. Let's try it again. Don't click on accident. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Be careful. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. It's 23 jumps to the right, 23/6. There we go. All right, let me show you on my iPad as well. Let me get this up on my iPad real quick. Whoops. Looks like I'm having a little trouble getting it on the iPad. iPad is not happy with showing this problem. It's not as happy as we would like. Try and see if I can get it on the iPad for us. Okay, so there we go. So let me show this on the iPad now. So -3 and 4/5. So where is it? Here it's -3 and 1, 2, 3 right there. That's -3 and 4/5. And then now how do you change that to improper fraction? Well, you can count the jumps from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's -19/5. All those jumps are fifths, right? So it's the same as -19/5. Now, there's another way to do it where you don't have to use the whole graph. I don't know if you remember. You multiply the number on the bottom. So 3 times 5, and you add the number on the top. So that'll be 15 plus 4 is 19. And you keep the denominator the same. If it was fifths before, it still fits. 19 fifths minus, because it's negative, 19 fifths. Does that make sense? Let's try the next one. Here, I can just do it by hand. 1 times 5. And then you multiply the number on the bottom, add the number on the top. So you multiply the number on the bottom, add the number on the top. 1 times 5 is 5, add 1, 6. So it's going to be 6 fifths. And you keep the denominator the same, right? We don't change that. Let's see it. 1 1/5 is right here, isn't it? It's because it's 1 whole and a fifth more. And let's count the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sure enough, it is 6 fifths, as we see. So there we go.